Filling out a tax form in Google AdSense is a user-friendly process, and I'm here to guide you through it. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for Google AdSense. Click on the official website link to access the Google AdSense website dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click the Get Started button. This step prompts you to input your Google account information. Within the Google AdSense website, you'll encounter various tabs, including home, sites, ads, privacy messaging, brand safety, reports, optimization, policy center, payments, accounts, and feedback. Focus your attention on the Payments tab. Under the Payments section, select Payment Info and then opt for Add Payment Account. Here, you'll need to provide essential details such as your name, address, including address line 1 and address line 2, city postal code, and optionally, your phone number. Once all the information is entered, click the Submit button. Proceed to click Manage Settings and navigate to Payment Schedule. You'll also have the option to adjust your payment threshold as needed. Finally, select the Payment Schedule option. By following these steps, you'll efficiently complete your tax form in Google AdSense. This process is straightforward, ensuring you complete it without complications